Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Ozone generator. This is made by Medvoe. So you can plug this in, well you actually have to plug it in. It's got a 4-foot long cord. So the cord is going to plug in right here. We have a power switch on the back. We're going to turn that on. Now even though, see I have the power switch on in the back, the unit is not on. Now it has a fan here, it's going to suck air in, and then the ozone's going to come out the front. Now you are not supposed to be in the room. Wherever this is at, when it's on, it has to be in an unoccupied space only. So it does come with a little tag you can put on the door that says do not enter. This is a timer. Now I don't recommend putting it on hold. If you turn this knob to hold, it's going to stay on until you come back in and turn it off again. I really love the timer function. That way you can set it on a timer, you can leave the room, and then when you come back, come back 30 minutes after it's shut off. So if you put it on 30, come back in about an hour. The room will have had time to air out because you don't want to go in as soon as this shuts off. You couldn't go up to 120 minutes. Now this is a mechanical timer. And again, when the mechanical timer, after 30 minutes, it will shut the ozone generator off and the fan off. Now I have used this quite a bit. It takes a little getting used to. Again, you do not want to be in the room, anywhere near it, when it starts to go off. When the ozone generator is actually producing ozone, it doesn't smell good. And then if you walk into the room too soon, it's not going to smell good. It's got like a really crisp smell to it. But once it leaves the room, I recommend putting a fan in the room so that you can help dissipate this ozone after it's done. But sometimes I've used this in my basement. I've used this in a car. I've used this in a small room. Sometimes it takes 2 or 3 treatments. Now, it does eliminate some of the odor. It doesn't eliminate all the different odors, but it actually does really help. It just takes some getting used to because you can't be in the room. You got to leave. So it's a little hard. Sometimes you're wanting to eliminate odor really quick, and this is not the way to do it because you got to kind of set it. But you just turn it on, and you can hear it, the fan, and it producing odor. Now, I don't like the smell of it, so I'm going to turn it off. And again, make sure you turn it to the off smell or the off position. Again, it's going to circulate the ozone because it's got this fan. So when that kicked on, the fan's going to suck air in out the back and it comes out. So I like it's got a nice little handle. You can see I've used it quite a bit. I think it does a really good job. There's the ozone output. Power is 10 watts. All right, top 5.5, but with the handle's about 7. Left to right's about 7. Front to back's about 7 1/4. Again, 4-foot long cord. I've used this quite a bit, so I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.